Hey children, today we're going to be doing order of operations. Get your butts out of bed or whatever you have to do, stop what you're doing and pay attention. This is very important. So if you forget what order of operations are, just remember this. Pretty please, my dear Aunt Sally. Can you repeat that? Pretty please, my dear Aunt Sally. What does that mean? Well, let's see. Pretty please. Parentheses, powers, my dear Aunt Sally. Multiplication, division, my dear Aunt Sally. Addition and subtraction. Can you remember that? Alright, children, you got it. Okay, children, consider this equation. Simplify this expression. 3 times 5 plus 6 times 2 minus 2 times 2. I'll give you a couple of minutes to write it down. Actually, probably 1 minute. Haha. Write it down, and then we'll go over it. In order to simplify this expression, you have to remember order of operations. And in this case, if you look at the equation closely, you're going to see that you have addition, you have subtraction, and you have multiplication. So when you consider this, we know that multiplication and division comes before addition and subtraction. So what are we going to do first? We're going to do multiplication. So 3 times 5, if you look at the expression, 3 times 5 is what? 15. 6 times 2 is what? 12. And 2 times 2 is what? 4. Alright, so then you can simplify this equation and write it down as 15 plus 12 minus 4. You can simplify this equation further by adding 15 plus 12. And when you do that, you get 27. And then you just take that minus 4 and bring it down. So you have, at the end of the day, right there, when you simplified it, 27 minus 4. And then, once you do that, you can simplify it and get your answer. And 27 minus 4 is what? That's not a trick question. It's 23. That's your answer. 23.